Hi there, welcome to this exciting walkthrough of CodeyLabs branding set for Salesforce Starter Suite. I'm Rahul Jain, and today I'll be showing you how branding sets can revolutionize your Salesforce experience with dynamic coloring and conditional formatting. Whether you are working in Sales Cloud or Service Cloud, branding sets have you covered. Let's dive in.
First, let's explore the lead record page on the Sales Cloud. Here we have a lead record, and you can see the hot rated leads are highlighted in red, while warm rated leads are highlighted in yellow. This visual differentiation helps your sales team focus on what matters most. Next, let's take a look at the case record page in Service Cloud. Managing customer support cases has never been easier with CodeyLabs branding set feature. Check out this case record. Cases which are marked as high priority are showcased in orange, while the cases which are low priority are showcased uh, in gray color. This immediate visual feedback ensures your support team can quickly address urgent issues and track progress efficiently. As you can see, CodeyLab's branding sets bring a new level of clarity and efficiency to your Salesforce environment. By utilizing customer colors and conditional formatting, you can enhance your team's productivity and ensure that important information stands out. Ready to transform your Salesforce experience? Try branding sets today.